I'm gonna be giving you a review of Duda website. Now, let's just get started here. Right? If I tap on create site from templates here, you can see there's a lot of beautiful templates. That's one of the first thing that's great about Duda templates. You can see there's a lot of beautiful templates here. There's a lot of great ones. There's a lot of them that's designed very well as well. You can see all of them are beautiful as well. So for example, I want to design this one, start building. Now, if I tap on start building here, you can see we can enter in our site name. So sometimes I'm just going to enter in example like this, and we're going to tap on start building. Now you can see it'll say creating your new website. Now this is where we can go to another one of its pros. It's that it's very easy to design and it's very easy to actually get it up and running as well. You can see on the menu here, it's a easy drag and drop system. So it's kind of like Wix or Shopify if you know any of those, right? You can see on the left side here, we can just skip on this video, but you can see layers, pages, widgets, content. It's a very easy method on how you can drag and drop all of these, right? Another one of its pros is that it's very fast. It's one of the best servers out there. So it's a very fast and responsive website. So it's easy, it's beautiful, and it's very fast as well. So what are its cons? Now, Duda is very expensive. It's not that expensive, but if it's compared to other website builder, it's quite pricey. If I tap on choose a plan here, for example, let's just tap on choose a plan. You can see it is pretty pricey, especially if one day you want to scale up your website. The basic one, the cheapest one, it costs 19 US dollar. It has email support and AI text assistant and AI SEO assistant, but you only get one site and it's AWS hosting included. But if you actually want to scale up your businesses, then you will have to go with agency. But this is an annual plan, so you will have to commit. If it's monthly, then it's the normal price with around 25, 39, and 69. And if it's a white label, it's around $200. Another one of its con is that it's very limited in terms of e-commerce. So if you're wanting e-commerce, something of their better is about Shopify or Wix even, because Duda doesn't really have a lot of e-commerce function. So if you're looking for something to sell or looking for someone to sell or looking for a website to sell, then Duda is not really the best option.